Lomtholampilo wethule umnyango wezempilo njengozogxila ekulashweni kwezifo zocansi, kodwa ngenxa yokwanda komthamo weziguli kwaphinde kwengezwa nezifo eziphatha besilisa.
We have launched the men's clinic in 2019 July. So we've been dealing with them since 2019. But now the the number has increased.
Lomtholampilo wendawo sewamukela nabavela kwezinye izindawo njengoba uphinde wamukele nalabo abathengisa ngomzimba kanye neziboshwa.
We are having people coming as far as when we were launching, we only thought we were going to help Dobsonville and Milolands, only the surrounding area. But now because of the keep-off, we're seeing people from Tshepisong, Leratong, and as far as even in Joburg.
Osabambe njengomphathi kulomtholampilo uthi besaqala ukusebenza babe manqika ukuvakashela lomtholampilo.
At first when it started, including the workers, it was when we were about to launch. But after much training and much exposure with campaigns and all and launching, inviting the community, doing the walks and all. So now people are starting to come from other areas because Itireleng, it's the only one around the COJ district that is key population friendly.
Banxusa izakhamuzi ukuthi zizothola usizo lwezempilo eItireleng